Stop guessing. Use data to grow your small business in 2025. Are you still making business decisions based on gut instinct? If so, it's time to rethink your approach. In 2025, small businesses that embrace data-driven decision-making will have a clear competitive edge, boosting revenue, reducing costs, and staying ahead of shifting market trends. Why data-driven decisions matter? Data-driven businesses outperform competitors. They are 23x more likely to acquire customers and 19x more likely to be profitable. AI and automation make analytics accessible. You don't need to be a data scientist to use tools like Google Analytics 4, ChatGPT, and Looker Studio for insights. Avoid costly mistakes. Without tracking key metrics, businesses risk overspending on ineffective marketing, mispricing products, and losing customers to better-informed competitors. Step 1. Track the right data. Not all data is valuable. Focus on these 4 key categories to drive growth. Customer data. Who are your most valuable customers? Track demographics, buying habits, and retention rates. Sales and revenue data. Identify best-selling products, peak sales periods, and customer lifetime value, CLV. Marketing data. To optimize campaigns and measure website traffic, conversion rates, and ad performance. Operational data. Monitor inventory levels, supply chain costs, and employee productivity to reduce inefficiencies. Step 2. Turn data into actionable insights. Having data is useless if you don't act on it. Here's how to make smarter business decisions. Spot trends and patterns. Identify seasonal demand, sales dips, and customer preferences to adjust your strategy. Segment and personalize. Use AI to tailor marketing messages based on customer behavior and interests. Run A/B tests. Test different pricing models, ads, or website designs to see what works best. Step 3. Use AI and predictive analytics to stay ahead. Predictive analytics can forecast demand, optimize pricing, and prevent inventory shortages before they happen. How to use AI for smarter decisions. AI-powered pricing tools. Analyze competitor pricing and demand trends to adjust prices dynamically. Predictive sales forecasting. Use past sales data to anticipate future demand and stock up accordingly. AI chatbots and automation streamline customer support and lead nurturing to enhance the customer experience. Step 4. Overcome common data challenges. Many small businesses struggle with data overload, misinterpretation, or analysis paralysis. Here's how to stay on track. Focus on key metrics. Don't track everything. Identify 5-7 high-impact KPIs that align with your goals. Use visual dashboards. Platforms like Looker Studio, Power BI, or Tableau make data easy to understand. Automate data collection. Tools like Zapier or Make can sync CRM, sales, and marketing data for real-time insights. Step 5. Build a data-driven culture. For long-term success, data needs to be part of everyday decision-making. Train your team. Educate employees on how to use and interpret data. Make data-backed decisions mandatory. Before launching a campaign or adjusting pricing, ask, what do the numbers say? Celebrate wins with data. Recognize team members who use insights to improve performance. Small businesses that use data strategically will thrive. Those that don't risk falling behind. Now's the time to transform your business with data.